distinguished members of Supreme Court Bar Association, my dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Turkey and Pakistan are two brotherly countries. We have always been together, we help each other. And when there is a problem, there is a disaster in one country, the other side immediately came to help. So we will strengthen this brotherhood in all areas, inshallah. And especially with regard to the judicial cooperation as well, we are doing our best. And this visit also for me very important. I heard that there is a good cooperation with your counterparts in Turkey. And we will learn each other. This is a technical area, judiciary. There are different experiences. So I hope the joint programs, training programs will increase, inshallah. We will support. And also I heard before, this was before me, the renovation of the room. It was renovated by Turkish Cooperation and Coordination Agency. Alhamdulillah, we are here. Turkey also touched Bar Association as well. That's good. I wish the best for you. This is my 6th month in Pakistan. Started in October, last week of October. Since that time, we are trying to strengthen this cooperation in all fields, all areas, going well and will be better, inshallah. Thank you very much.